we have 57 lakh positive cases of coronavirus. Economies are drowning of the world. Unemployment has already risen to its highest extent. It is a situation where people are struggling for their survival. Greetings of the day to all my intellectual listeners. Today I, Ira Chaturvedi, am posing a question that what, according to you, would be the post-lockdown strategy? Will it be as normal as earlier or as drastic as none would have thought before? My goal today is to help you understand the post-lockdown world. In India, the shutdown that began midnight on 24th March has involved closing. Yet, we also need to think about the future. We need an exit strategy that protects our well-being and also goldens our economy. When humans went into a lockdown, the earth went about reclaiming itself. The chief of the World Health Organization said, COVID-19 is reminiscing us of a simple but vital truth. We are one species sharing one planet. The lockdown showed us that less is the new more, but things are not expected to be the same. With vaccines still months away, preventive measures like masks and social distancing continue to remain in every aspect of life. The companies have to make all the preparatory arrangements of proper sanitization along with only 35% of staff. There will probably also be temperature sensors at public places and quarantine measures will be put in place if an infection is detected in a workplace. Middle seats won't be sold in flights and every other seats would be empty in the theatres, forcing the management to hike the ticket prices. Metro travelling would be affected as well. Thermal screening at all points, face shield to be worn by the screening personnel, use of Arogya Setu app for identification of positive persons, hand sanitization facility at all the points and a set of PPE kits at each station is mandatory, with an increased electronic and human surveillance. The schools and education facility would also be harnessed. The process of recreating schools will be based on 3 P's: preparation, precaution and prevention. The first question to be answered is what number of students would be allocated in a class? The day is not far when artificial intelligence will play a bigger role than human teachers. We only hope that the transition will never be total and human teachers will continue to enrich their learners. In the times when the lockdown has approached to an end, it is our duty as citizens to save the struggling nation via our actions. Frequent hand sanitization and surface cleaning to be made a habit. Social distancing to be followed everywhere along with masks and gloves made mandatory. Online shopping and digital payments to be preferred. Large gatherings being banned. Weddings and parties to be made small family events. Avoid eating out and majorly street food. Yoga and meditation along with a healthy diet should be necessary to boost immunity. I hope you all will ponder on these thoughts. Thank you. Be safe.